Hello, here we've got an interesting puzzle where only one move will win for white and the other move will result in a stalemate. Black king can't move and black can only advance the d pawn. White can move their king or one of the three pawns. It's white's turn. Pause the video if you want to take a look and then we'll have a look at the solution. If you push the d pawn, that's an instant draw because the king can't move, so it's a stalemate. Similarly, if you move your king, then black has just the pawn to move, and then there's no way to win on your next move, so that's also a stalemate. If you try to promote your pawn to a queen, then that's going to result in a stalemate because black will play their last move and you don't have time to get the queen in to h7 to do the checkmate. So the only way to win for white is to actually promote your pawn to a knight. Black plays their only move, then you can move the knight to b6, allowing black another move, taking your knight. But now we're left with the same problem. Black only has two moves left, and it's going to take us 1, 2, 3, 4 to checkmate with the queen. So instead, we're going to do exactly the same thing and promote to a knight. And as black plays their last move, we give black another move to take the knight. After they take that one, we've still got the same issue. So again, we promote our pawn to a knight. And then black plays their last move. We can then play the knight to f6, giving black another move. Then after this, we can promote our final pawn. Now black does have the moves. Then we can finally promote to a knight to checkmate the king. Okay, that's the end of this puzzle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.